Alrighty folks, welcome back to Digitonic One. Got the brand new 100 million money explosion. It's a $20 ticket here in Ohio. Went up to $5 million. $5 million. Let's read the particulars. If any one or more of your numbers match any of the winning numbers, you win the prize shown below your matching numbers. Reveal the lucky star symbol and win the prize shown automatically. Reveal a money bag symbol and win $200 automatically. Reveal a money symbol and win all 20 prizes shown automatically, I might add. Alright, this is ticket number 17. And let's scratch off these winning numbers and see what they are. Alright. Start off with the 37, 21, a number 2, a 24, 35, 23, a 10, and a 5. That's right. Those are the winning numbers. Let's see if there's another one over here. No, there is not. Alright, there's our winning numbers. So, let's see what we got here down below. Where you at? Start off with the 15, a 13, and 18, 33, 26, 26, a 4, okay, 24, yep, we got a winner. We got a winner right there on 24. Alright, let's keep on going, see if we can get some more. A 24, there's another number, two 24s. Alright. Number 1, we got 2 winners. 39, 39. 16. And number 8. Number 8. A 5. There's 3 winners. Got 3 winners on this ticket. 3 winners. A 40. Another number 24. That's 4 winners. That's 4 winners on this ticket. Ticket number 17. Alright. 25. Got the lucky star. Lucky star for the auto win. That's 5 winners. Number 7. 17. And the last spot, 34. Alright, so we got 5 winners on this $20, $100 million money explosion. Went up to $5 million. Hopefully one of them, hopefully there's $1 million under each one. Alright, underneath the first 24. Oh my God, Ohio is doing it again. $5. Another $5 under the next 24. Alright, Ohio, how can you do this on $20 tickets? It's beyond me. It's very disappointing when they put $5 prizes on $20 tickets. But I guess it is what it is. Alright. So that's 4 of them. What was the other one? There was 5 altogether, wasn't there? I believe so. Yeah, no, maybe there was only 4. Yeah, there's the other one. Alright, so it's $25. $25 winner. Not a big fan of $20 tickets when they have $5 prizes on them. Alright, Ohio. Thanks a lot for that big disappointment there. Alright, next up we have a 300 million Triple Diamond Dazzler. 300 million Triple Diamond Dazzler. Ticket number 13. 13. Let's read the particulars. If any one or more of your dazzling numbers, let's start over. If any one or more of your numbers match any of the dazzling numbers, you win the prize shown below your matching numbers. Reveal the diamond symbol and win the prize shown automatically. Reveal a double diamond symbol and win double the prize shown automatically. Reveal a triple diamond symbol and win all 25 prizes on this ticket. All right, let's see what the dazzling numbers are on ticket number 13. 17, 19, 29, the number 1, 34, and an 18. All right, those are the dazzling numbers. Let's see what we got down here. Under the first spot, we have a number 11. Second spot is a 26, then a 24, a 28, and a 37. 37. All right, let's go on with the second row. A 38, a number 30, a 32, a 31, and a 13. 13. No winner there. All right. Next row, 22, 22, a number 6, a 15, and a number 9, and a 21. All right, the third row, 16, a 20, 40, a 12, 27, 27. All right, the last row, number 7, and 8, number 5, 23, and the last spot, a 10. So this ticket is an Ohio Lottery loser. It's a freaking dud. All right, folks, from the counter of gold, have one winner, the 100 million money explosion, with, once again, the fake Ohio Lottery $5 prize. $5 prize on a $20 ticket. Thanks a lot, Ohio. Appreciate that. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.